Alright guys, so they finally started upfitting one of these dudes. A new Gladiator. Got a couple little things on it. New custom wheels. New light bar. Not too shabby. And looking very 4x4-ish. That's what she looks like in the sun. It is a beautiful red, I'll tell you what. So that bad boy has the Mopar 2-inch lift kit. It's got the running boards, that same ones that we used before on the these guys here. We used those before on the Jeep JLs, yes we did. So about the same price point, a little bit more, not too much, just under 400, and those nerf bars can be yours. And then of course we did this bumper up here. That would be the Jeep Rubicon bumper. So basically what that means is, since this is already a Rubicon, this is just kind of revamped. You can actually do the winch on that dude right there. So you see the little cutout there. It's the same area that we did the one for the JL. So you just pretty much cut this part out, or actually unbolt it. It's just bolts, nothing really cut. And you get the kit that goes down inside there, and you actually have to take the bumper out because that winch that they have for these things, the Mopar one, pretty big. So once that bad boy gets in there, it's I'll try to insert a picture here of the old one, just so you kind of know with the JL. But yeah, other than that, pretty cool, man. So this one's a little dirty because it just got out of the shop, but not too shabby, you know. It's got the cover on it. I do dig the cover. The cover's pretty nice. See, originally we were gonna do a like a pre-runner style spare tire system back here, but since it already had that really nice cover, we decided against that, because who wants to rip that off and leave the marks up on top of the bed with that going on when you already got something that looks good. So we'll probably do that on another one. But there's the Fox Racing shocks. Gotta have those on the genuine Mopar lift. And then, you know, of course, we got to do the 37 by 1250 17s beadlocks. Yeah, so not too shabby. Pretty cool for a Jeep truck, huh? So anyway, y'all, so that will conclude the Jeep series. Next, stay tuned, because we're probably going to be doing a truck series, but we just got to figure out which trucks we're going to do it to, and we will be back. Have a good one, y'all.